Welcome to my channel. Can't access Linksys router login page? Easy fix explained. Step 1. Connect to the router properly. Make sure your device is connected to your Linksys router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. Use the correct login address. Open your browser and type right finger http://192.168.1.1 or right finger http://myrouter.local. Do not search it in Google, type it directly in the address bar. Step 3. Check your internet browser. Try a different browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Old cache files can block the login page. Go to Browser Settings, clear browsing data, restart browser. Step 5. Check your IP address. On Windows, press Windows plus R, type CMD, type IP config. Look for default gateway, that's your router login address. Step 6. Restart your router. Turn off the router. Wait 30 seconds. Turn it back on and try again. Step 7. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN, turn it off and try accessing the login page again. Step 8. Use Ethernet cable. If Wi-Fi is not working, connect your computer directly to the router using a LAN cable. Step 9. Reset the router, if needed. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait for the router to restart. Then try logging in again. This will erase all custom settings. Step 10. Check login credentials. Default username. Leave blank. Default password. Admin. Or check the sticker on the router. Thanks for watching.